Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs a supported iOS and the VW head unit firmware is up to date, because mismatched software breaks handshakes. Once done, plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the VW USB port labeled for media. Cheap cables often fail. You should enable CarPlay in iPhone settings and forget the vehicle to reset pairings. This clears stale profiles and forces a fresh connection, which solves many first contact failures. You now work through deeper checks. Restart both the iPhone and the VW infotainment system because memory glitches and hung services often block CarPlay. If wireless CarPlay is intended, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radios are active on the phone and vehicle. CarPlay negotiates using both. Make sure the USB port is clean and solid. Wiggle the connector to detect intermittent contact. If a different iPhone connects successfully, the issue is phone-specific. Otherwise, the head unit likely needs service or a firmware reflash. You finish by applying last resort fixes, backup settings, and perform a factory reset of the infotainment system when other steps fail, because corrupted configs can block CarPlay. If problems persist, arrange a firmware reflash through VW tools or a dealer. This restores protocol compatibility. Make sure to record exact symptoms, error messages, LED behavior, or which ports fail, so technicians can use logs efficiently. If nothing works, contact Apple support for iPhone diagnostics while the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.